Hello friends, welcome to Aravalli Geo Academy. Today we are going to discuss next Geology PYQs. PYQs number 60, 76 to 80. Okay, so this is the first question. Okay, this question from remote sensing. Okay, what is the primary purpose of applying a logarithmic stretch to an image? Option 1, to enhance features in the brighter region of the image. Option 2, to enhance features in the darker region of the image. Option 3, to increase image contrast uniformly across all intensity level. Option 4, to reduce the overall brightness of the image. This is asking what is the primary purpose of applying a logarithmic stretch to an image. Okay, so this is the factual question. So correct answer of this question is the to enhance feature in the darker region of the image. Okay, why applying a logarithmic stretch to an image? To enhance the feature in the darker region of the image. Okay, now next question, which of the following geomorphic structures develops due to wind erosion? Okay, so option A Hamada, option 2 Arate, option 3 Cirque, option 4 is Hogback. Okay, so correct answer of this question is the Hamada. Okay, Hamada formed through the wind erosion. Arate formed through the glacial erosion. Cirque also formed through the glacial erosion, and Hogback formed through actually after upliftment as well as after the erosion of the water. Okay, or fluvial erosion. Let's we discuss through the images. Okay, all options we will cover. First, see, this is the rocky desert. Okay, this is the barren lake or all are the rock particles here, because the loose particles of the this area is removed by the process of the deflection. Okay, so this barren land, this rocky desert like barren land is known as hamada. Okay, hamada is a type of the desert landscape consisting high or largely barren hard rocky plateaus where most of the sand has been removed by the deflection. Okay, and this is actually formed through the process of the wind erosion. Okay, now we discuss the arete and cirque. So arete is a sharp narrow ridge formed between the two valley glacier, and cirque is a bowl shaped amphitheater like depression formed by the glacial erosion. Okay, both are the erosional feature of the glacier. Now see, first focus on this ridge, this sharp knife like ridge. Okay, so this ridge is known as arete. Okay, and because this ridge is divide two valley glacier, this one is the one valley glacier and this one is the second valley glacier. So this ridge divide the both the glacier now. So this sharp knife like ridge is known as arete. Okay, this is formed due to the glacial erosion. Okay, and this bowl shape depression, this one, okay, and this is known as the glacial cirque. Okay, this is the amphitheater like or bowl shape depression. This is formed through the process of the glacial erosion. See this real image of the arete. Okay, this is the sharp knife like ridge. Okay, this is the arete and this one is the cirque. Okay, this bowl shape depression near to the head of the glacier. Okay, now see the hogback. Okay, focus on this rock first. Okay, so we will discuss the two terminology, cuesta as well as hogback. Okay, so this darker rock, this is the resistant rock. Okay, and this rock is the soft rock. Okay, so soft rock is eroded and this hard rock is exist right now. Okay, let's discuss the definition of the book. Also this, see this one. Okay, because focus on the slope of the both side of this ridge. Okay, now discuss the definition. Okay, cuesta and hogback. This one is the cuesta. okay, and this one is the hogback, okay, this one. Now let's we discuss. When the rock are uplifted by the mountain building process and are tilted in the one direction, okay, this hogback or cuesta form after the upliftment of the rock through the mountain building process, and after the mountain building process rock are tilted, okay, in one direction, okay. After erosion of the softer rock, less resistant rock occur, leaving a ridge of the more resistant rock. Because see here, because soft rock is eroded and this resistant rock is existing here, okay. If the angle of dip is low, the ridge is called cuesta. Because see, this angle is the low, okay, this is the gentle angle and this one is the steep angle. If the angle is the gentle, then this ridge is known as the cuesta, or if the ridge is the actually steep dip or both side equal dip, then this ridge is known as hogback, okay. In hogback, the both side dip of the ridge is the same or steep, or in hogback the one side is gentle dip and other side is the steep dip, okay, clear na. Now next question, in which of the following drainage system do the streams flow outward in the all directions from an elevated tract, okay. Option A annular, option 2 dendritic, option 3 centrifugal, option 4 radial. So this is asking uh, a stream flow outward in the all direction, okay. So correct answer of this question is the radial, okay. Let's discuss the through images. Focus, this is the elevated tract or dome or something, a volcanic cone. So all rivers are migrate outward from the common point. See this one is sketch, okay, because all rivers are moving outward from a common point, okay. So this type of the drainage pattern is known as radial drainage pattern. So correct answer of our question is the radial, okay. And see, this one is the dendritic drainage pattern because rivers are look like the branch like now, okay. So for dendritic drainage pattern, actually homogeneous trend is required, okay, like the basalt plateau, etc. Indian example of dendritic drainage pattern is the Deccan basalt, okay, or Deccan trap. Now rectangular, this is highly actually a structural control drainage system, okay. So see, because highly controlled structural, because fault and joints are required in the in this type of the drainage pattern, okay. Next one, this one is the trellis drainage pattern, okay. Trellis, it means focus on this river, okay. This is the main river and tributaries are meet at the right angle to the main river, okay. See this one, because tributaries are joined at the right angle to the main river, okay. See this one. So this type of drainage pattern is known as trellis drainage pattern, okay. Now next question, which of the following countries launched sport satellite system, okay. So this is the factual question. Sport satellite was launched by the France, okay. Correct answer of this question is the France, okay. Now next question, which of the following is not a key factor in studying geomorphology, okay. This is asking not a key factor in the studying geomorphology. Number 1 landform, number 2 bedrock configurations, number 3 geomorphic process, number 4 land surface history, okay. So correct answer of this question is the 2 bedrock configuration is not a key factor in studying geomorphology. So thank you so much for watching this video. Try to share with your friends, okay. If you have any doubt, then drop a message in the comment section. Thank you.